Hi, thank you for watching this video. In this channel, I will be reviewing different cars being sold here in the Philippines. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. Thank you. This is the 2019 Subaru XV 2.0i S CVT with Eyesight. This car is equipped with Subaru Eyesight driver assist technology. This is like the intelligent mobility of Nissan. Set of dual color cameras placed near the rear view mirror, and they scan the road for anticipated dangers. The main features are Eyesight adaptive cruise control, Eyesight lane keep assist and sway warning, pre-collision braking, pre-collision throttle management. This variant is just below the GT variant, which costs 100,000 pesos more, priced at 1,668,000 pesos. Let's start with the front fascia. First, we have LED Hawkeye headlamps with auto levelizer and daytime running lights. The front fog lamps, and it also comes with the headlamp washer with the signature hexagonal grille. This variant comes with two-tone alloy wheels with disc brakes. Very nice visibility in the A-pillar thanks to that small window. Power folding door mirrors with LED turn signal. Comes with keyless entry. In the door panel, you can see some carbon fiber accent with chrome door handle. Side mirror adjust, side mirror fold button, automatic front windows for both the passenger and the driver. Window lock unlock, bottle holders, compartment and speaker. Let's get inside. This is how the dashboard looks like. The air vent, the trip button, steering responsive headlight off button, instrument panel, light adjust, traction off button, blind spot detection off button, the hood access, steering wheel adjustment, the audio control, cruise control, lane change assist, speedometer and the tachometer with 4.2-inch instrument cluster, instrument cluster control, the horn and airbag, wrapped in leather with orange stitchings. Push start button, key not found, 6.3-inch multi-function display, the 8-inch touchscreen, dual zone automatic air conditioning, the Lineartronic CVT transmission, auto vehicle hold button, X mode button for your all-wheel drive, electronic parking, and a blank cup holder, center console compartment with 2 USB ports and a 12-volt, passenger airbag, the glove box. In Subaru, you just have to pull the lever and let it come down on its own gracefully. Speaker, cup holder with automatic power window button. Our favorite, the sun visor, has a mirror and a vanity light. Wonderful. Also goes the same for the passenger side. Individual map lights, lane departure warning off button, collision avoidance off button, indicator for the seat belt, control for the sunroof, cabin light. Let's go to the back. Carbon fiber accents with leather stitched in orange. Also has the chrome door handle, but doesn't have the automatic powered window. This is the view from the second row. There is no aircon for the second row. There's a pouch, no pouch behind the driver's seat, all in leather. The headliner is fabric. The leather seats feel premium. The armrest for the second row with cup holders. We are here at the back. Nice tail lights. symmetrical all-wheel drive. It has a backup camera equipped with the Eyesight technology. 4 eyes backup sensor. And this is how the bottom looks like. It's not a powered gate. Plenty of storage space with light, with retractable cargo cover, spare tire, with tools, defoggers, and the wiper. Third brake light, fin type antenna with roof rails, and rear fog lamps. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, God bless. If you enjoyed the video, please press the like button, comment, and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.